welcome back to Super Slick Slimes. I'm Ella, and today we're going to be doing a 200 subscriber special. So, today we are making a unicorn slime cake, and thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. I am so thankful. I don't even know how I did that, but thank you so much, and stay tuned to 300 subscribers. And my goal is to get 300 subscribers by my birthday, which is October 17th. So please subscribe if you're watching this. And yeah, if I do that, then I'm going to have, like, not all of my friends, but some of my friends over, and we're going to be making 3 gallons of slime. And who doesn't love that? So today, I'm just going to be making a unicorn slime cake for you guys. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so to start off with making our slime cake, I'm going to get 2 of my candy cane butter slimes. And these are the white parts of the candy cane butter slimes. And these are very holdable and thick, so I think they would be amazing for the base of our slime cake. These are kind of small, so I'm going to try to make them a little bit bigger somehow. I'm just going to mix this all together. And I hope this makes it a little bit bigger and a little bit more holdable. Just need to mix them all in with the shaving cream. Okay guys, so now that I'm done mixing it, I am going to be adding in 2 cents, which is cupcake and sugar cookies. And I hope that will make it smell like a really nice cake, because sugar cookies is absolutely my favorite scent. So yeah. Okay, now I'm going to mix it together. There's a lot of scent. I think the scent is perfect. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit more shaving cream now because it got a little bit melted by the scent for some reason. I don't know why. That's so satisfying. I love shaving cream. But now it's going to smell like shaving cream and I'm going to have to put more scent in it. Oh. And now it's 2 whole containers. Okay, that should be enough shaving cream for life. Okay guys, so here are my 3 slimes, and I actually found blue and purple clay. I'm going to put it in the blue and purple ones, but the pink one, I didn't have any pink clay, so I don't really know what I'm going to do there, but we'll figure that out later. So this is a purple one. Actually a really nice pastel purple. This is a blue one. And for this one, I'm just going to add this pink slime that I used for the candy cane butter slime. So now I am making the frosting by adding glue, foaming soap, shaving cream, and I also added some baby powder and baby oil. And now I'm just activating it, and I kind of over-activated it. So I am just adding in some more glue. And then I'm just adding this pink clay to make it a nice color and to make it like a butter slime. Okay, so first is the pink layer. This is a fail. But I'm just gonna kind of lay it on top and just kind of let it drizzle down because, yeah. So first, I'm going to be putting this foam bead mixture that I have, and it has blue, purple, and pink foam beads, and also some large white foam beads. And next, I'm just gonna put some of the unicorn leaves on top. They're like little stuff. Some pastel sprinkles, because who doesn't love sprinkles? Okay, I'm gonna cut an awesome piece of this cake. Perfect. Look how cool. Okay, I'm gonna I don't even know what happened. All I see is purple. Okay, let's do some ASMR. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to be part of the Super Slick Slime Squad. So yeah, thank you guys so much again for 200 subscribers. I really hope I get 300 by October 17th. So yeah, I know this cake was pretty much a fail, but it's okay. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!